Welcome. In this video I will show you how to configure Ambilight settings on your Philips PFS3969 TV. First of all, from the home screen of your device, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open settings. Here in settings, let's scroll down to Ambilight, select this tab, and as you can see here we can change the Ambilight style. So if you go to the first section, you'll be able to change the style of the Ambilight to adjust it to the content that you're watching, like sports, cinema, music, or you can make it just one fixed color if you like, or you can disable Ambilight totally by selecting off option. So once you have selected the style, you can personalize your style by going to Ambilight personalization. Here you can enable or disable the Adaptive Ambilight, which will link your Ambilight to your room's condition, so basically make it glow less when it's dark in your room and more when it's bright. Now if you disable automatic brightness adjustment, which basically EcoRoom adaptive feature is, you'll be able to adjust brightness manually using this leveler, where you can use left and right arrow keys on your D-pad to adjust the brightness level. You can also change the saturation, so the colorfulness of your Ambilight. You can change the dynamics of the colors, changing from slow, normal to slow to fast, or the fastest one. And you can also adjust the Ambilight on dark content, making it either medium, high, or low, or disabling it for dark content. Now, in the launch light, you'll be able to adjust the launch light of your Ambilight, and here you can enable or disable switching on long light when your TV goes to standby mode with this toggle. You can select the color of your long light by adjusting red, green, and blue levels, or by selecting one of the preset color in here. You can enable or disable dynamic effects. You can change the brightness manually in here, and you can change the duration after which your ambient color will eventually go off in standby mode. In Ambysleep, you can adjust the Ambysleep, which is basically the Ambilight which turns on once you turn off your TV and prepare for going to sleep. So here you can, for example, start Ambysleep. To do that, just select the first option and then wait for a moment until Ambysleep mode turns on. This will make your TV go to sleep. Basically, here you can, in the second menu, you'll be able to adjust the color of the Ambysleep. Once again, you can either select one of the preset ones or change the levels in here. As well, we can change the brightness in this menu, the duration after the Ambilight goes off, and the background sounds for sleeping quality, I think. By default, we have the rainforest selected. And in advanced settings, we can adjust the ambient colors by selecting the wall color behind the TV. This will create the best Ambilight experience for your TV if you select the color of your wall. And the time after which your Ambilight switches off, basically when you switch off your TV. So either immediately or after some time. And that's all the settings that we can change on this TV. Pretty simple, pretty obvious, but I still hope that you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.